There. There you go sit.
How about you?
Yeah, I will stay here. You're the only one is focused with you. So when I go home,
You're gonna watch it?
yes, I'm gonna watch it. So I will remember you. I will not forget you.
I make a funny movie,
Yeah.
a funny video on
Then I will show it also to Nikolai.
the
This video.
my video.
Yeah. So I will tell you.
How about my picture?
Yeah, we have also picture. We have picture together.
I'm gonna picture with Nikolai. But I always picture with kids.
Did you see your face there?
Yes.
Yeah.
How about you? I cannot see.
No, it's only you.
Huh. You're gonna show in the Facebook so somebody will see it.
Everybody.
Everybody will see it.
All my friends on Facebook. They will see it. I will put it also in YouTube.
You're gonna search your name in your
Yeah, in YouTube. You can search my name in YouTube. Then you can watch.
You're gonna post in the other Facebook. Watching the posting for the messaging
Yeah, interview.
interview.
Yeah, I make interview with Priya.
But in the other camera, you're gonna put in the
In the helmet.
helmet, so you're gonna hear it
Yeah.
when you're gonna go back home.
Yeah.
How you gonna supposed to do it when you
There is a speaker inside the camera.
speaker?
Yeah. You can listen to music. When you put the helmet, there is music inside.
It looks like head ears.
Yeah. Look like there is a headphone inside. That's why you can.
What's that in here in the mouth?
Now,
Mouth in the helmet.
yeah, that's called balaklava. That is cover. That is protection.
Protection for your.
Yeah, there's for air like that. So we not breathe bad air.
Bad air?
Yeah. There is dust, smoke.
When I don't have a helmet.
Yeah, because you are not riding motorcycle. That's only for motorcycle rider.
They gonna sakay in the back. So where your boots or for your bike.
Yeah.
Your shoes.
Yes, shoes also. That's protection also. Did you try to ride the motorcycle? No?
But I'm scared.
You're scared?
I like to ride some scooter, but I cannot. But I cannot ride a bike.
Can't ride the bike?
Only scooter. Because I learned it to ride a scooter with the bump, but it's not moving.
It's not moving.
But I try to, but I hold like that and
Yeah, you
it's
make
not
like that.
moving.
It's not moving. Why it's not moving?
You just gonna hold it and walk and it's gonna move. Because when you only the scooter will move. How about you try to ride a scooter also
Yeah.
before?
Yeah, when I small. When I was small, I ride scooter.
When you're a kid?
Yeah.
Me, when I'm small, I did not yet ride some scooter because I did not yet try to ride a scooter.
You put here your candy, maybe it will go down.
Thank you for buying me this.
Probably. Is it good?
Yes. I want that one up, the blueberry one.
Yeah. The blueberry?
They have milk. That's
Mm.
yummy.
That's yummy.
They have sugar.
With sugar.
Do you want that?
Yeah.
Tomorrow?
Sugar is not good for me.
Sugar?
Yeah, because I'm old. That's only for like you.
Me?
Yeah, and this girl baby,
For
for
babies
not
too.
for old.
Not for all. Because when you're old, you
Your
sugar,
tummy is not good.
your sugar is
It's very high.
very high.
Mm.
So you cannot drink Coca-Cola anymore.
Yeah, that's why I cannot drink Coca-Cola.
I'm drinking Coca-Cola.
No problem for you because you are not old.
Hmm.
You don't have diabetes.
You have diabetes?
Yeah.
How is that diabetes do?
This diabetes will make your sugar up and it's bad.
Blood sugar for
Mm.
older.
Yeah. If you have diabetes, you should not eat drink or eat sweet.
You just drink Yakult
Yakult, okay, water. Like
and
this.
gonna odds for Yakult.
Water is the best. The only one I drink. Sometimes I drink coffee.
But today you did not drink coffee
Yeah, I
anymore.
think maybe later I will drink coffee because it's cold.
Mine I'm colding. Look at my skin.
It's cold. You have to do you not have sweater?
Yes, it's hot. Is it cold?
A little cold.
Little cold.
Mm.
How about your feet?
Cold also. Because
Use some socks. Use some sweater.
yeah, I put some socks also.
Scarf also. You know what, Ross? Your sarwa will drop.
Yeah.
You drop in your sarwa.
Drop in my
Drop in your sarwa when you drop it.
no need, no problem.
You did it. You don't have cough.
No, I don't have.
How about your I have in morning every day.
You have cough?
I have a sleep. I have my mood.
See the little boy is hanging there.
There.
Yeah, the little boy.
That one. That side.
That's your friend. See? So look at her. See? He goes up. Oh. She like monkey. Oh.
Trick your mom.
Yeah, then they see? Oh.
Say! Uy, anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Yeah, he will. She go up again.
Because she love to climb in the tree.
You don't go there and make like that. See, maybe you will fall. You break your bone.
She jumped when she come down. Ay. There, Tita Joyce. Tita Joyce. You know, you remember Tita Joyce before? They're doing that. You're gonna buy some unit. What did you do every day? You're gonna go paspasya with Nikolai? Because she loves to paspasya with you.
Yeah?
When you go far, he don't like to come with you.
Yeah, no. Because she's small. When he became big,
When he say to you every day bye-bye,
yeah.
he kiss you also.
Yes. And he hugged me also.
Here in the cheek,
Yeah,
he
yeah.
kiss. 2 cheeks. He hug you also.
Yeah.
He always help you. What did he help you every day?
He always pick something.
Pick something.
Yeah.
Trash.
He pick something and give it to me.
And put it in the trash.
He put in trash.
He always come with you and give to you. Here, Tatay. He say. Then you put it in the trash.
It's dark already.
Don't worry. I'll
You
get
open the
out.
light. Where's the light?
You're gonna on the light. Here, oh, it's here. Wait for me there. Don't off the video. On?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought we don't have kuryente. He love you. Nikolai love you.
Yeah. Just your mama love you also? Yes, like that.
You love me also.
Yeah.
Your apo is Nikolai.
Yeah.
Just your apo. What is called apo?
Yeah.
Huh?
Apo?
Hmm?
Yeah, apo.
What did they do in the apo?
Nothing. They make only play.
I only play with mama. We play tickles. We play bato pick. Nikolai know to play bato pick? No. Huh? It's there.
I charge there. You sit there.
Okay.
It's here.
You thought it.
Oh, that. I'm looking for the other ones here.
The other one.
The other one is no good. This is no good.
The other one is no good.
Yeah.
What color is that? That's yours also?
This
You
one?
have computer also.
No, we don't have. My son and my daughter, they have computer in the house. They make computer.
Nikolai have daddy.
Yeah. Of course, they have daddy.
They love you. They love you all also.
Yeah.
They have you.
Yeah.
Nikolai love hug you. His daddy, his mommy. Who's again? The other one that I tell to you.
My wife also had me. All of them.
They kiss you also. They kiss also. Because that's a caring. That Nikolai is caring.
Yeah.
But I'm caring also.
Yeah, you should be caring also.
I'm the caring of Mama. I'm the caring of Papa also. Mommy. When Mommy and Daddy married, Lola Norma have in them. I see it in the picture.
You should the picture.
And you decorated all the pictures. What is that called? When they have videos na.
They have videos.
And I watch it too. So I say to Lola Norma, thank you for giving me some shirt. Because she gave me some shirt.
You need some shirts.
Because she's my apo. He always, we always go in Mommy in Iwong because we gonna stay here. Mommy gonna build, Mommy gonna build a house here.
Yeah.
So when she have a money, she gonna pagawa some house.
Very good.
She's your apu also,
Who?
my mommy.
No. I'm his uncle.
How about my daddy?
Call me uncle. Your daddy is my, I don't know what you call that.
That's your cousin.
Yeah, maybe cousin like this.
He's your cow. He's you're the stretch. You're the working of daddy. When they call you, you're gonna go.
Maybe the mommy is there. Maybe. You know? Too much people, no? Coming down.
Mommy is not there.
Mommy is not there.
Nanakanto na yung kasi. Much people will go down.
Yeah.